I just wanted to make this video as a refresher or something you can pull up later in regards to having the PDF as a Schoology assignment and the kids being able to type on it. So what I'm going to do first is navigate to my Google Drive, and I have already downloaded what I want to put in there to show you guys how to do that. You can always go to New and just go to File Upload if it's something you have saved on your computer. So that's the first step, is getting the PDF into your drive. Okay, so there it's going. So once it is there, you are going to have to find it, and then you have to get the link for it. So to do that, I am just right-clicking on it and going down to Share, and then get Shareable Link. And I'm just going to copy said link. Now I'm going to go to Schoology and go to Add Materials, and I'm going to add this as an assignment. So you go ahead and put your name in, and then I always, so that my students remember, I will tell them to open/download the PDF and use DocHub to type answers. And so we have to go ahead and get that link. So I'm just pasting it in there. Then you're going to want to give it a name and attach it. And so then of course you put all of your other things in: due date, points, category, and say create. And so I'll just open this assignment, and just so you all can remember how to do that. So I just clicked on that link, and then up here in my Open With, I'm going to choose DocHub. Now if you or your students don't have DocHub, all you have to do is go to the Connect More Apps and search for it, and it should come up real easily. So I'm just going to say DocHub. And then they just have to be in text. Just click where I want to type. I don't need to expand the box. It will just automatically do it for me. And, you know, essentially then completing your worksheet. When they are done, they have to come over here to the 3 lines, come down to Download Export, and choose their Google Drive and export to Drive. If they do not do it, what they turn into you will just be blank. So that's very important that when they are done, they export it to their Drive, and then they should know how to turn it in from there. So that's just the refresher on using a PDF as an assignment in Schoology.